My in-laws are coming over for dinner tonight, and I'm trying to whip up a quick dessert. So far I've got some butter, honey, and I'm gonna put some brandy in here too. And I'm trying out this coconut sugar for the first time. I just got some as a gift. So I'm trying to make some kind of like honey, brandy, buttercream frosting for a pumpkin cake. And the pumpkin cake is in the oven, and I made it with the pumpkin that I grew last summer. And I just roasted it this week. So I started out with a half stick of butter and honey and the brandy, like I mentioned, but I'm gonna taste test. And after taste testing, the coconut sugar just wasn't cutting it. So I added some powdered sugar and the rest of the stick of butter, and it's coming out really good. Here it is. Kind of came out after seeing some pumpkin bar recipes. Pretty flat, but I think it could have been in a little bit longer. It smells amazing. Here's the finished product. I also tossed in some pecans into the frosting and sprinkled some on top, and it came out really good. It wasn't, undercooked like I was expecting, and I would definitely make it again. And comment below if you'd like the recipe. The ingredients will all be an approximation.